Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, lived a little bee named Buzzy. Buzzy was not an ordinary bee. He had a very special job to do. He was the tinker bee. Every morning, Buzzy would wake up with a buzz, hop on his tiny wings, and set off to work. He would gather flowers, collect honey, and repair broken things in the meadow. One day, Buzzy found a sad little caterpillar named Cory. Cory was stuck in a thorny bush. Buzzy, with his sharp sting, carefully removed the thorns and set Cory free. Cory was grateful to Buzzy and promised to help him in return. The next day, Cory helped Buzzy find a beautiful blue flower that Buzzy had been searching for a long time. With the blue flower, Buzzy made a special kind of honey that could heal the sick plants in the meadow. The meadow bloomed more beautifully than ever before. Buzzy and Cory became the best of friends. They would spend their days helping each other and the other creatures in the meadow. Their friendship taught everyone that even the smallest creatures could do big things. One night, as the sun set, Buzzy would fly back home, tired but happy. He would sing a sweet lullaby to the meadow before he slept. And so, the meadow would be lulled to sleep, dreaming of the adventures Buzzy and Cory would have the next day. The end. This story teaches children about friendship, kindness, and helping others, while also incorporating the educational value of bees and their role in the ecosystem. It is suitable for bedtime storytelling and is written in a simple, positive, and engaging language.